finished shopping at Daiso, just like a regular day when you go to Daiso, right? But look at the weather outside. Today is a blizzard day. Blizzard is an extreme blizzard. Look at the snow. The amount of snow is crazy. Blizzard day, very heavy blizzard. I will tell you, if you have never driven in Hokkaido, you literally have not driven in extreme weather. This is the kind of extreme weather that we are going through today. And this is not the first time. The snow is very heavy, and a couple of times I almost got stuck. Hopefully we'll reach our destination soon. Alright, cheers.